All right. Thank you for tuning into this video. Today I wanted to do a technical analysis video on forward protocol. I do know this team quite well. They have been working very hard behind the scenes to get this project off the ground. They finally launched, and they launched on KuCoin. The price is holding steady. So let's go ahead and jump right into the charts. So right now, as you can see, right after the launch, we had an initial sell-off, creating the first initial support. We had an impulse higher. Looks like it pretty much went to the 786 or golden pocket right there before retracing again. Now keep in mind this area right down here is now the current liquidity zone. This support was tapped. Price was range bound, came back down, swept the liquidity underneath this last pivot low before moving a little bit higher. Now, as you can see, this is a brand new chart, so there's not much to really analyze, but nonetheless, it is a new project. So this technical analysis will basically give you an insight of where you would want to purchase this coin if you wanted to do so at great values according to the chart, right? So at this moment, 18 cents, or no, 1 penny, 0.18 penny is a great support, right? So that's a nice area to purchase. It seems like that is where you will get the most bang for your buck. If somehow you were into this coin a little bit earlier for some reason, let's go ahead and find the percent tool. Where is this here? I don't have my favorites set up, so all right, so it's right here. So if you were to get in at this level right now, you would be up 10%. That's actually a lot, right? If you go back to where this golden pocket was or the previous high, you're talking a 60% gain. Now, am I saying this is going to be the best spot to buy this project? No, not necessarily, but as the chart stands, all we can do is just read the chart. This is the best support and the only support that this project currently has, right? So if you were to get in this low and we were to break out of this trend line, as you can see, I would expect price to start to move a little bit higher, more than likely going after the highs that it made right around here. Now, if we do get the impulse higher, you're talking about a 91% gain. Obviously, that would be beautiful, but from these levels, that is about a 71% gain. Also a great price, right? You can't be angry if your portfolio increases 72%. Not sure how long that will take, but at the end of the day, that is great gains, right? So what I'm really looking for right now is for price to break out of this trend line decisively, come back down, back test it as support before moving higher, all right? If we don't get this exact, we might break out, range a little bit, come back down, tap this area again, sweep the liquidity one more time before impulsing a little bit higher. So this is where I would be looking to enter a long position if we can get a retest of those lows. I'm pretty much all over the place right now, but anyway. Right, so if we can get another retest of these lows, you place your stop loss below the lows right there. That's still pretty far away. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit here, see if we can see a little bit more price action. No, not really. So at this moment, you know, if we do get that, you'd have to manage your position size, because at the end of the day, if you manage your position size correctly, you can still enter a trade with only 1 to 2% risk. So yes, if you were to enter into this trade, you place your stop loss below the current wick. You then enter the moment that it actually gets above this wick low, right? Because that would be a swing failure. So in reality, you would enter here. Let's just say price does come down and does something like that. You would then place your stop loss right below this wick low. manage your position size, and then you aim for higher levels, which at this moment it is the high since the launch, right about 3.5 cents. So not really much, like I said, to analyze with this project. It is pretty new, but I will be doing a lot of updates on this project. I like the team. I like what they're doing. I believe that this thing will perform very well in the future. Now, I am invested at the moment. But yeah, if you like, go to their website, follow the steps. You can get it on PancakeSwap, KuCoin, if you are KYC'd. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for next time. And then really quick, before we end this video, at the end of the day, please like and subscribe. That's how we can teach YouTube to go ahead and send more people to my channel. And if you'd like to follow me on x.com or follow Forward Protocol, right there, boom, 108,000 followers. If you'd like to follow me, Navitility, 93 followers, slowly gaining. 100 is the target. Maybe you can be number 100. That would be amazing. Maybe I'll do like a little giveaway to the 100th follower if you are a real person. Maybe I'll send you a message, send you something, some sort of crypto. But yeah, follow me on X, like and subscribe to my videos. I post updates quite often, right? The latest update was this one, HBAR, right? I said it is looking strong. HBAR showing signs of strength along with the rest of the altcoins. Which project did you scoop before the bullish move? Hashtag Hedera. And since that post, we went up about 6%. Let's go to the other post. We had Matic. I made a video on Matic, I believe it was 2 days ago. It went up around 3%, sold back off, and then I re-entered right on these lows, right down here. Right, so in this current trade, I am up around 6-7%. Now up 5% since video. Target still remains the same, weekly level above. So I do post updates quite often. QNT, another project that I did enter a trade, and it is paying off quite well. Yeah, so follow my account. It's very useful. And leave a comment below with any projects that you'd like to see me analyze. Forward Protocol at the moment, I do like it a lot. I think this project will do well, but keep in mind Bitcoin does rule all at the end of the day. So if we go to the Bitcoin chart, if Bitcoin looks bearish, everything else will look bearish, right? And at the moment, looking at Bitcoin, you will see that it is currently trading right below the daily level, right? It can't really close above it on the it just keeps struggling. Closes above, sells off, goes right back to the point of control. So this leads me to believe that we're going to start to see lower prices if we can break below this point of control. At the moment, it is above the point of control, so we can possibly target the weekly still. But if we do move down lower, I would be looking at the Monday lows or the value area lows. And if that level fails, we will then look at the weekly level below. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining, and I'll post another video tomorrow. Take care.